And that is when officers finally move in to detain her. And the body cam captures the moment that Nash started freaking out.
You guys are okay. Really?
Ma'am, continue up.
Just give me a second, would you?
We've had plenty of time. Go ahead and go up.
Please go up. Just give me a second. Let me
go.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, we'll talk about it.
Sorry, folks. Apologize.
Keep going.
Very sorry.
One more.
Can you just give me a second? Just give me a second.
Gotta walk in.
Just give me a second. Would
Upstairs,
you?
we can get a second. We're gonna walk.
Listen, I'm not a fucking.
Don't resist, ma'am. Relax. Control 146, show us 115.
Are you kidding me? Don't hurt me. Just let me walk. Just give me a second.
Well, you had your chance to walk up.
Is this your purse?
Give me a second. Would you just stop? Would you just stop? I will walk.
You're gonna get another charge.
No, you're hurting
Just walk.
me.
We're not hurting. If you walk, you won't get hurt. Simple. Don't push
You're
away.
embarrassing me. Are you kidding me?